And this is a happy Friday again. This is part two to the my morning commute there from the SkyTrain station, just after finishing up filming the Southern Railway for my YouTube and stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, I just put some SkyTrain still shots in for like a slideshow motion thing. So I thought it would be quite intriguing, and to finish up from where I left off from my just previous upload I'm just working on right now.